It's Thursday after work and I'm looking at a 3-day weekend, but it's frozen outside and we're at the height of a pandemic, so I think I'm going to do a 3-day game build, but first I need a concept. Graph theory is a branch of mathematics dealing primarily with points and line segments, or vertices and edges. A graph is comprised of these elements. Here's an example. We can put labels on it and talk about the degree. The degree of a vertex is the number of edges connecting it. So in this case, the degree of vertex 4 is 3. A walk is a sequence of vertices and edges. The definition is a little bit of a mouthful, so let me just give you an example. We can walk from vertex 1 to 2 like this. 1 to 2 to 3 to 5 to 4 to 2. Okay, I think we have the key elements here, so I'm going to start. I started with documentation, then created the Unity project. This is just the shell. I'll need to start in on the puzzle tomorrow, but for now, better get ready for bed. Okay, so it's day 2 and I'm ready to go. I decided to set the max number of vertices to 12, so I'm going to go ahead and set up the game board now. Next, I will build in functionality so the player can interact with the vertices. But first, I'm going to take a kiting break while the wind and sun cooperate.
Then when I twist,
The twist is no problem because it just swings automatically.
yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, so straight up. That was a good call.
You want to try again?
Yeah, I'll bring it down real quick. So here's C's.
Alright, so I'm back and the functionality has been worked out. Here's what I've accomplished. It doesn't look great, but the guts of the project are all here. The biggest issue I'm having is that the computer is creating unsolvable puzzles. I'll deal with looks and solvability tomorrow. It's Saturday morning and I need to make the game look better by adding images and animations, figure out the solvability issue, ensure the player's data is being saved so the information on the start screen can display properly. If I can accomplish all of that, I think it will be time to test and release the game. So the game looks great. I can think of several things I would love to add, but I think this is a good stopping place for now. I'm going to test and then work on releasing it. After fighting with Android's SDK, I was able to successfully submit the game to Google Play. I also released a mobile and web version on itch.io. You can find all the links in the description. In the future, I plan on adding more features, but for now, I'm going to call it a day.